Another 10 grand payday today, while the market is down. The market is down big. Okay, I believe right now the S&P is down about 5.5%. Now this is April 4th. It's about 3 p.m. on the east, and the S&P is down about 5.3%. So now, while a lot of people are screaming and yelling and losing their shirt, here today it's another 10 grand. Yesterday I made 20 grand off of my short positions, and today again it's been a great day. Now I have an hour left. I'm gonna have to take some profits off the table here. Now my first position here is Red Robin. I'm making a total of 4,300 on that one, and I'm gonna take some profits off of that. But I believe Red Robin is to go down, to go way down. You can look at the fundamentals, the balance sheet, the cash flow, and I believe it'll go down. It'll probably go down to $2 a share. AAOI, there was an interesting company. AAOI actually it went up a lot during the Trump's rally. If I well remember, it was like a $15, $16, $17 stock before the elections. Then with the elections, it went up all the way to 44. Imagine, at 4x. And now it's back down to the previous level. Now on this one, I remember when it was trading about $20 a share, there was an offer, takeover offer from Amazon to buy at least 70% of the shares at $23 a share. That pushes the price up, and now it's back down. I don't know what happened to that deal. In fact, if you look at the news, it says here there was a news from March 13th, and it says the AOI issues Amazon warrant to purchase shares, and that was at a strike price of $23 a share. So now I'm gonna take some profit off of AOI because I think it might go back up. Depends on what happens with the Amazon deal. I mean, they're not bazillions of dollars, but I'll take it on a position of the S&P500. I'm gonna profit 2150. The other one that I had short was a firm. I think it's a good company. It's got a good potential, but the stock price it's inflated. I believe once it went up to over 70, $80 a share. A firm. It was way up. Yeah, it reached nearly $81 a share during the euphoria of the stock market here, and now it's lost since February 2025. So not even 2 months, and this thing has lost over 50%. And in my humble opinion, this thing it keeps going down. It might keep going down a little bit, but this is kind of a meme stock. I don't know. It doesn't appeal to me for a long position. Anyways, I'm gonna take some profit off of that. And then you got the furniture retail, online retailer, Wayfair. This thing got hit hard by the tariffs. I think it'll go down. It'll go down further. Wayfair. Yeah, it's been on a downtrend. I wouldn't short it, but I mean, I might take some profit. This thing has already lost over 60% over the past 5 years. I don't think there is much to do with this. It's kind of dead money, I believe. It's gonna fluctuate between 20 and 30, in my humble opinion. But I don't know. I could be wrong. I think I'm gonna take some profit out of it. Anyways, some of those positions I already talked in my previous video. I was gonna give you an update of what's going on today here. NGL, this is a struggling company, bad fundamentals. Now today it's down nearly 16% because oil has slumped about 7% today. NGL, it's got bad fundamentals. Let me see the fundamentals here. It's struggling for direction. So now this thing at once it was 10 years. Yeah, it's in a downtrend path. It hasn't gone anywhere. It was 23. It was 16. It used to pay a hefty dividend, and then they took it away, and that's when a lot of dividend investors, sold by the bulk. But I think this is gonna go back down to 2, where it was down to 1. It was down to $1 a share. It got hit hard. I think it'll keep going down. Dividends, I think they went away from the dividend. Yeah, I mean, an oil and energy, oil and gas stock that doesn't pay dividend. I mean, it's weird. Usually all of the energy stocks they pay dividend. Energy stocks are well known to pay high dividends. Anyways, light, I'm gonna take some profits off of that because it might go back up. Bed Bath and Beyond, this is a struggling company. Now today is up, but I mean, those companies they are heavily shorted. They might be subjected to a short squeeze for no reason, so I'm gonna take some profits off of that. Wolf Speed, I'm profiting 650 total. This is a chip company, struggling chip company. I think it might go back up. Overall, it's not heavily downtrend position. This is heavily shorted. Take some profits off the table on that. ALGS, I am profiting 70% on that total. So I'm gonna pay off the 262 and I'm gonna profit the 625 on that one. Biohaven is a fairly new company. Biohaven, I think it's in the pharma space. Yeah, it's down 64% over the year. Over the past 5 years, like you see, this company has gone public in 2022, September 2022. It's still a fairly new stock. I don't know. It's kind of risky. I might take most of the profits off of it and look somewhere else. Anyways, some of those I already talked to you guys about this. This is another chip company, Jack in the Box. It's in the same category as all of the restaurants, and actually it's a bit struggling with the fundamentals. I think I'm gonna take most gains off of it too. Arlo, the camera companies being hit hard by Trump's tariffs and so on. I feel I'm gonna do some work now here. I have less than an hour left. Again, I'm gonna sell short lightly today because the market is already down nearly 6%, the S&P 500. Wow. If it was a 7%, it might trigger the circuit breaker. But anyways, this is a good day for the market. You can take advantage of this if you buy the ETF. This is a good day to add to your pre-existing positions. I'm gonna do that too, and I'm gonna look at some leverage ETFs like I was talking about yesterday. I did buy a couple $100 here and there, not much, because those are risky bets. But as the market goes down, eventually, once it bounces back up, you're gonna make 3 times the profit on a daily basis on the 3x leverage ETF. So, and that's gonna be the SPXL. Playing it safe, the SPXL is the 3x leverage S&P 500 ETF. I'm gonna do some of the Qs, the TQQQ, and possibly I'm gonna buy some lightly 2x Nvidia and 2x Amazon, but I'm not sure about that yet. Well, anyways, like always, guys, feel free to reach out. Happy trading, everyone, and enjoy your weekend. Once again, I was gonna show you that you can make money on the market when the market goes down, like I'm doing it today, and when the market goes up. So any questions, feel free to reach out. Whatever your financial situation is, whatever your location is, inside of the United States, outside the United States, feel free to drop me a line. Thank you very much, everyone.